to Vermont. So far this season, the snow season, Jennifer and I been up to Vermont twice. The first time it was a bust. It had about 2 feet of snow on the ground. We walked in, looked around, make sure no one was messing with anything. I took some
You got
pictures.
the keys to the camper, right?
Yeah, I got the keys to the camper.
Just had a heart attack.
And you know, we couldn't really do anything. It was cold, so we just checked on everything, and then we came back the same day. It's about 2.5 hour drive up, 2.5 hour drive down. So it is almost April. It is like March, what do you think?
30th.
30th? It's March 30th. So
I think 29th.
it's warm. This is like the warmest day so far this year. We're pretty close to the property, and it is foggy. Now we decided today. Well, I decided to take the dirt road.
Yeah, I think you better put it before.
Instead of, yeah, I'm just sliding around. Instead of taking, oh shit, this was a bad idea.
Put it in 4x4.
I got to stop. Switching to 4. I saw my property on the left. Got my some of my things down there. Remind me when we go out later, I'm still in 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. You don't even see the driveway. Some sugar.
There's my driveway. We got some shoveling. On the way in, I tried to shovel out the end of the driveway just to park the truck. Not happening. It's solid ice. It's going to be warm today. I'm hoping that it might melt a little bit, so maybe I could go out there later and try to shovel a little. But it's not happening. So I try to get it as far off the road and still leave 2 tires on so I don't get stuck. So I had to carry this battery and the generator and the gas in our bags in by hand. And every step with all that weight, I went down 2 feet. So it's a trek in when you're carrying all that shit and you're going up to your knees.
Need a sled.
Need a sled. I'm gonna put the battery on, hook up the small generator because the big generator is buried underneath the table. I'm not digging that out right now. So fill that up, hook that up, start that up, put out the slide, see where we're at. Maybe we start that heat and melt some of the snow off the top. See what happens. So Jen and I made it up. I'm not able to do a lot of stuff I wanted to do because I did not expect this much snow up here. In Connecticut, there's nothing. There's a lot of snow on my property. Down below in Vermont, there's not too much. I mean, that's what I thought it would be. But once you start coming up high, you know, there's 3 feet in some spots still. And you'll see in the walk, Jen and I walked down to the creek, and some spots were going up past our knees. Definitely need to get some snowshoes. I definitely got to wear my gaiters. We're heading down to the creek. Got about anywhere between 2 to 3 feet of snow in front of us. I'm kind of staying on top, falling down about 6 inches. Jennifer here has got her old lady cross-country ski peg. As you can see, some trees, I don't know if they came down or they just bent up. Follow. Like that's where we usually go to see the creek. We'll go down that way after. Little stone wall. Nah, that's some.
It's a baby.
It's a,
Oh, no.
it's a baby.
It's a nest.
It's a little nest. Jennifer thought it was bear shit. Take a
no.
look.
Hopefully nothing was in it.
If it is,
It's going now.
it's going now. Oh, you just stepped on it. Careful. Get a workout. Oh, whoa.
There's water under there.
That was up to the knee. Shit.
There's water under there.
There's water under there?
Yeah.
Alright. See what happens over there. Oh. Trying to stay on top. Oh. Do not. Whoa. Yeah, we're dropping down pretty low. That was definitely beyond 3 feet. You would have disappeared. Walk lightly. Any minute now. Every step, you'll know. Oh. And we made it. Oh. And I just flew my drone, and it best flight yet. I'm starting to get a little bit of a hang of it. I have no idea.
Hey, it's going pretty good. Don't you buzz me. I can't move.
Huh?
I said don't buzz me because I can't move. I'm stuck. Oh. Nice.
Okay, we're live on Liberty Creek.
Hello, guys.
We're not live. All right, here we are at Liberty Creek.
Hello. How are you?
Okay, so Jen and I, this is our first time sort of laying down exactly what we plan on building. It's weird now that we laid it out. 24 by 24. I thought it was going to be a big footprint on this little area that is pretty much clear, and it's really not. I'm kind of shocked. So here we go. Right now we just went ahead and staked in some walking post sticks. And there it is. There's the layout. I don't know if you can see it. The 4 corners. That's 24 by 24. Right now it's pretty close to square. 36 by 36, 24 by 24. And we'll put probably a 6-foot deck on the front with overhang. And that will be the only thing right now. In the back we'll probably put just a one more door with just some steps for now, but eventually we'll put a deck on the back. But look at all this room. I thought it was going to be tight, but we have all this room here. There's the outhouse. We have all the room. We got room in the back. Got a little room on the side. Some spots. We think we'll probably thin this out, get rid of some of this woods here. We're going to keep the birches. The bigger trees will stay. We're still here at the camp. Starting to get dark out. The temperature's dropping. Will we survive? Jennifer's trying to get us a little fire going. Hi, Jennifer.
Hello.
Did you see that technique? So we're going to hang out here for a while and get this fire kicking, and then we'll probably go in for the rest of the night, try to get that heater going. Hopefully it starts right up like it did before. We'll go from there.